Hey tubes, this is an awesome car starting up. It's pretty awesome. I think he had troubles to save the freaking tow truck right there. It's gonna be awesome. Start it up. I don't know why it's not going. About to drive away in a minute, I think. He's got the door open. It's gonna be awesome. I don't know what car this is. It's a pretty awesome car though. Anyways. Well, tubes, he's about to go. It's gonna be awesome. I talked to him a bit. He says it goes around 190. Holy! Just heard that tubes. That was pretty dang fast. He said it was a kit car. It goes around 190. It's got a better power to weight ratio than Bugatti Veyron. That's pretty awesome. This is about to be awesome right here. He said he's put it together since he was about my age, and that it was a kit car. He got it from, oh shoot, I forget it. Got it from some company. It was a real, weird name. It sounded a little bit German to me. But, yeah, it's pretty awesome, eh? So, little kid selling lemonade. So, yeah. He apparently had battery issues, and, a guy came and helped him out in the tow truck and stuff. And, so that was awesome. Anyways, thanks for watching.